Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Thank you very much for sticking out in this video. I'm the successful electronics who's post on great electronic content. I want to say thank you very much for sticking out in this video. Actually, in this video I'm going to be making a 50 Hz frequency generator, 50 Hz frequency generator, 50% duty cycle. Actually, this video right here blew up to 2.4 thousand views in my channel. I'm so happy about that, all thanks to you viewers. So I just thought about making a video which is actually related to that niche, actually related to that topic, which is actually making a 50 Hz frequency generator. Yeah, in this video actually I'm gonna be using an Arduino Uno board in this video in producing this project, because I just want to make a video related to that video which get more views, because in my content in my YouTube channel I have the 50 Hz generator video and a high top views. So I decided to make a video which is related to that video, and this video is about using an Arduino to make a 50 Hz generator. So stay tuned to the end of this video, and now I'm going to go into the connections of how I connect the Arduino to the board, how I program the Arduino, and every down detail which you need to understand when you want to build your own type of 50 Hz generator circuit. Thank you very much, and let's go to that clip. Stay tuned. Okay, now welcome back. Actually, now I'm gonna be telling you how you can use to program the Arduino board, which is actually gonna work with this project. Now I'm gonna post the Arduino code in the description of this video. Then actually I'm gonna be showing you a practical video on how to download the library of the program. Then you're gonna go copy the code in the description. Then you're going to paste it in your Arduino Droid app or software in your computer or in your phone. Then I'm going to show you how you go to download the library, which is compulsory in this project, and then you are going to upload it to your Arduino, which is pretty simple. So let's go to that clip. Okay, now first off you're going to go to the search bar and the library manager, and you're going to click you're going to search this name, which is actually on your screen, and you're going to download it to your system or your software. Then you're good to go. Let's go into the connections. Okay, welcome back, and thank you very much from the short break. Actually now you can see the parts which are actually needed in this project. Okay, yeah, you can see the parts actually which is needed in this project. You can see my Arduino Uno board right here. You can see my jumper wires right here, and also you can see my 10NF103PF capacitor. I don't know if my camera is able to zoom it in. Okay, yeah, this is the capacitor which I'm using, and I'm also using a 100k resistor for this project. And also you can see my breadboard right here for connections, and also my OTG cable, my programming cable actually for the Arduino programming system actually. Okay, now I'm gonna be pasting the circuit of how I connect the filter circuit. First off, I'm gonna be connecting the filter circuit. This filter circuit is gonna be connected to the Arduino, and also the output of the frequency is going to be coming out from the filter circuit. So this is the filter diagram circuit on the screen below right now. So if you want to like a screenshot it and want to take it to build your own, it's better for you. So actually right now I'm going to speed this up and connect everything fast forward. Actually you can see two capacitors right here. Please note this, use two 10NF capacitor, and you're connecting them in parallel. Yeah, in parallel. So let's speed this up and make the connection process much faster and much efficient. Let's go. Okay, welcome back. Actually you can see that I have connected properly and fully connected. Now is for testing. I'm gonna be showing a picture below of the sine of the frequency that you're gonna expect, and also the duty cycle which you're gonna expect, and also the wave which you're probably gonna expect in this project. Once again, I want to say thank you very much for reaching out in this video. I'm the Successful Electronics, and subscribe to this channel. Actually, this project, if you may ask what is actually useful for, let me bring the mic a little bit closer. You can actually use this project to make connect to an inverter using a MOSFET. If you want to make you want to make an inverter, and you need the frequency generator which you're going to be connected to the MOSFET to make the inverter stable, and you're going to be connecting you're gonna be connecting a resistor from the output of the frequency generator to the gate of the MOSFET, because this is Arduino and not a 5 timer or any kind of frequency generator IC. This is an Arduino Unobolt. You're gonna use a resistor for safety. Let me just say for safety, and you're gonna be it's mainly for inverter project. If you want to make an inverter project, this frequency generator which I just made in this video can help you very much. Actually, this is a cool video which I just wanted to put to test, and you can make this at home, test it at home. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also support me on Patreon for more cool electronic projects like this. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.